In this video, we will show you which car should pass the intersection first. We will show you the right of way rules. We will show you few of different situation and which car should go first. So let's start. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel The Exam Coach. Thank you for watching and have a safe drive.